Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my cheesy chicken breasts. I have my oven preheated at 350. I have 3 chicken breasts that I'll be cutting in half, cutting off any excess fat. I'll place them in my baking dish. Last one. I'll get rid of my plate. I arranged my 3 chicken breasts that I cut in half in my baking dish. This will be enough to serve 4 people. In my bowl, I'll take 1 cup of mayonnaise. Put that in. To a 1/2 cup of, I'm using Parmesan cheese and Romano cheese. I'm using the 2 combined together, so it'll be a 1/2 cup. So I'll grate some Romano. I love this cheese. It's really, really good. And then the rest will be Parmesan. That's a 1/2 cup. To some salt and pepper. It's probably about a 1/2 teaspoon. To a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm using the garlic powder that has parsley in it. So now I'll mix this. Oh yeah, look at that. See how good that looks? Good. So now I'll place this on top of my chicken breasts. Covering them up. Making sure to get it all. That's what it'll look like. Now on the top of this, I'm going to add in a little bit more Romano cheese. Can never have too much cheese. That's why I call this my cheesy chicken. Cheesy chicken breasts. And you can serve this with rice or mashed potatoes or any kind of side dish that you prefer. A little bit more pepper on top. Now I'll place aluminum foil over this. And I'll bake it for about 45 minutes on 350 or until the chicken is done. And this dish is really, really good. So now I'll place my chicken in my oven. I have it on 350. "45 minutes or until the chicken's done, and this chicken is really, really good. Nice and creamy and cheesy. Now for cleanup duty. Now I'll check on my chicken, see how it's doing. Boy, does it smell good in here. Lift up the corner. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Few more minutes and that's ready. It's been 45 minutes. Now I'm going to check on my chicken. It really smells good in here. Wow, I can't wait to try this. My neighbors are going to love this. It smells awesome. And we'll be having my cheesy, creamy chicken breasts for dinner tonight. I can't wait. Doesn't this look delicious? Can't wait to eat it. Thanks so much for tuning into Home Cooking with Cheryl and watching me make my creamy, cheesy chicken breasts. It's really, really yummy. Please follow me on Pinterest. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and I'm also on ifood.tv. Thanks so much for watching and really try this. It's really, really yummy. It's quick and it's easy. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.